Hello everyone, welcome to Fame World Educational Hub. Myself Aishwarya Saxena, and I hope you are a subscriber of Fame World Educational Hub. If you are new to this channel, you can subscribe by pressing this particular subscribe button, and you can press the notifications bell, because after pressing the notification bell, you will start getting the notifications of my latest uploads. There are multiple playlists available on this channel, so you can just visit the playlist section. The ethical hacking series is also now started on this Fame World Educational Hub channel, and this is going to be very wonderful series. So don't miss. One video is already uploaded. You can just check it, and it will be really very helpful to you to learn ethical hacking in a positive manner. So let's continue with the programs which we were doing. So now I'm back towards my PyCharm, and today I am going to start with a new program, and I hope you have watched the previous lectures because I have discussed a lot of content, and I am just going to start passing list to a function. So in this particular program I will discuss that how you can pass a list to a function. So now it's a new thing, so let's do that. And I'm going to take a program, so count number of even and odd number in a list. So we will be taking a list, and with that we will be searching for the, or you can, it's not searching, it's just bifurcating the even and odd numbers from a list using the functions. So let's do that. I have taken count a function, and here I have taken lst, that's just a variable, and here I am taking even equals to 0 and odd equals to 0. Okay, I have initialized these variables. Then for I in lst, so we'll just go for the loop. For the even, I am taking the condition if I mod 2 equal to 0 and even plus equals to 1. So this, then else odd plus equals to 1. So the counter, we are basically just incrementing it, and then let's return both even and odd. So that's the advantage of the functions in Python, that we can return multiple values from the list, with the help of any function we can return multiple values, and that's the beauty of this functions and the return statement in Python. Okay, so let's create a list also. So I have right now taken this system defined. It's your assignment to do this user defined. We have already discussed in some previous lectures, in some previous videos, that how you can create a user defined list, how you can take input to the list. So just check it out if you do not have seen that video. And I am passing here lst to the function, and let's print it. So here now I will be taking some formatting elements, and here I have taken this braces. Okay, this braces I have taken, and comma, or here I am just writing and odd, and again these braces, dot format, and here we will be taking the even and odd. Let's try to print it. So what we are doing actually, usually we use comma and then we just pass the value, the variable, like this variable I can just take it, I have taken like after this even, with the help of comma we can separate it. But yes, this is a new method which you can see. This is a new way of doing this thing using the format function which is available in Python. So here I have made a small mistake, I've given the space there, so let's remove it. Okay, so here you can see our even and odd are here now. Like it is giving us the number of even values and the number of odd values. So you can see question was write a program to count the number of, write a program to count the number of even and odd numbers in the list. So it is counting that throughout this list how many even numbers are there and how many odd numbers are there. So I hope you like this program, and if you are having any query, you can drop it into the comment section. I will just reply to your comments, and you can connect with me on Insta. You can also connect with me on Facebook, and the description, like in the description, the link of the like all the handles like Insta handle, Facebook, and also the WhatsApp group link is there in the description. So you can connect with Fame World Educational Hub. You can connect with me on WhatsApp also. So this is like Insta account, you can see. So it's really simple. You can just go with Fame World Educational Hub on Insta, and the link is also in the description. So we can be connected, and if you are having any queries or any suggestions regarding the videos, upcoming series, you can give your suggestions. You can put up your queries in the comment of the YouTube video itself. So we will be able to sort out like your queries. And don't forget to check the playlist section, because in the playlist section you will be finding very new series getting updated. Also the video of data science, a complete video of data science I have created. You can see here, introduction to data science. So it's a video with the help of which you will be getting good idea of data science also, because the complete series on data science is also going to come very soon. Eventually it will be coming. So stay tuned, subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.